Yo, chat, what is good? Happy Tuesday, guys. How was your CPI? How did you guys do this CPI? I'm curious to see how did you guys perform. Hope you guys are well. Alright, mukhang okay naman lahat ng audio. So if you're here in the chat, just let me know. I'm just doing the pre-market right now, chat. Nothing crazy. Took some trades, post CPI, ended up being break even for the most part. Was annoying because I know this could have been $1,000 day already. Meron akong order up here. It did not get filled. I shorted here earlier. So dito nag-buy ako and then missed the profit for like 2 ticks or 1 point. Tapos nag-break even ako. I got slipped. Tapos nag-short ako up this upper level of this for value. Got my stop was just above this level. Tapos yun, na-miss out ko yung trade. Chased the short. Ended up taking a trade here, $200. Tapos yung isa break even. So technically, I consider myself break even this post-CPI session. And I'm not interested in taking any trade before the CPI is released. So, hindi mo na mag-take ng trade. But in the meantime, what do I think is gonna happen? I like to see higher prices, which is this level. But at the same time, nagiging aware ako na we already push sa third standard deviation ng Asian session. So, usually kapag na-touch or kapag na-reach na tong level na to, the market has already expanded way higher. Usually, very rare mo makikita na makikita yung 4 standard deviation ng Asian range. So, I'm being mindful of that. Although, I like higher prices. Medyo sketchy sa akin yung fact na we push higher at CPI and this could be a fake out, you know. I don't know. We'll see. This could just be a typical continuation day, but yeah, I'm just gonna see and wait kung anong i-offer ng market at market open. I'm gonna play the intraday volatility instead of, you know, being to predict. Alam mo yun, kumbaga parang baka meron akong one-sided bias na naman and I'll get chopped out. So I'm gonna play the intraday volatility and see what this market has to offer for me. Just gonna wait and see. Waiting at 9:30 o'clock, chat. Kaya, chat, what do you think? Good audio. Shorted the top. Got 75 points. Done for the day. Let's go. I tried to short as well, like up here. As you can see, meron pa siyang ano. Dito ako nag-short, but did not get filled by few ticks. So, which is pretty annoying, but it is what it is, I guess. I just gotta wait sa market to open and see anong i-offer niya. This could be a retracement, market open and then push back up, continuation higher into this level, but who knows? We could also like touch this 830 low. Ang tricky sa mga retracement na ganito is yung 830 eh. The 830 level, like itong level na to, this could be the draw at market open. Especially now we're dropping. This could be the draw. I don't know. But yeah, we'll find out, chat. We will find out. Pwedeng ito yung draw liquidity, yung 830 low. Kala ko di na maka-close position ko kanina during CPI. Naglalag kasi trade of 8. It is lag, yeah, in a sense. But it's also because news trading is volatile. Hindi dahil lag ang platform. It's just how the market works. Merong brief moment sa market na nagpo-post yung trading session. Sometimes it would post like for 3 seconds, 2 seconds. It's called velocity logic. Kung isa-search nyo to sa Google, velocity logic, minsan feeling mo lag yung platform, but the truth is that close yung market within specific period of time. Eto, makita nyo yan sa CME. Ganyan talaga pag nagtitrade ka ng news. But yeah, velocity logic is simply means na brief moment, yung market nagpo-post siya. and it seems like a lag on the platform side, but it's just overall walang market data na lumalabas. That's why it's risky trading news, because velocity logic can kick in anytime. And wait forever. Now the market is just chopping around. I'm trying to look at other market as well. Kung anong pwedeng i-offer nito. So far, nothing that I really like. I like the fact na nandito tayo sa daily bearish for value gap on Euro and GBP, but my main issue on this is that nasa inside day tayo at the same time, and it's not well in terms of intraday. Hindi ganun kagandang intraday ng Euro. And GBP, hopefully, maybe tomorrow it start to become good. I've been trying to look at other markets and see where could I possibly capitalize, pero nothing very good yet. We're just literally chopping right now. Just gonna wait and see. Itong Dow has been ripping. We're all-time high on the Dow. What do you guys think? Market open. What's your bet? Is it gonna push or gonna dump? What's your bet, chat? CFD ka ba? Live account. I have live. And tiring to buy kasi funded next if okay sila for CFD. It's up to you if you want to. I would say just go for FTMO if you want. Okay naman ang funded next, I think, sa CFD side. Ang pangit lang sa funded next is the spread. On the CFD side, it's not the best. It's always nice if you can diversify your prop firm, Diversify across multiple accounts. Dump then long pag na-feel na yung imbalance ng news. Just my idea. Nice. Yeah, that's not a bad idea. Preferably, we take out this low down here and then we pump higher. Overall draw on liquidity ko is this upside target here. Hindi ko lang gusto on where we are sitting at. I feel like on a higher time frame, on a 4-hour level, right? If titignan mo tong range na to, this is a big consolidation. So it's a matter of like, are we going to break here or are we going to just chop back down, right? Ito yung mahirap when you're trading the 4-hour. It's volatile, yes, it gives you this intraday volatility, but higher time frame wise, like daily, ang hirap niya. Like, I don't know. Maybe this is the final, final break up. Baka ito na yung hinihintay, to break above this high and target this high. But I don't know. I just don't like where we are sitting at. Maybe I'm overthinking it. Maybe I should just long here and just pray, Maybe I should just long here. Ang tricky dito is, I said, itong 830 low. Typically, I like to get those lows taken out first. Just my idea, but we'll see. Let's see. 12 more minutes before the market open. We're just consolidating right now. Not really the best spot. Meron tayong megaphone pattern right now. What a megaphone pattern. Seek and destroy tayo at the moment. It's not ideal. We're just having this megaphone pattern, just taking both side liquidity sa Forex side. So, megaphone. It's not looking good right now. Don't know which way we're gonna go. Wait lang chat. Ayusin ko yung camera ko, baka hindi naka-charge. Charge. Kahapon chat, I did trade yesterday, di ba? One time only, and I stopped trading after that. I was disciplined yesterday that I had to stop. When nag-stop ako mag-trade when it happens. After that L. Gusto ko mag-short here. Pre-market. Top ko above here. Gusto ko siyang itry. Take ko to sa live. Medyo sketchy dito pag hindi ako na-feel sa ano ko. Pag di ako na-feel mamaya, yun yung issue ko dito. I-ready ko yung phone ko just in case hindi ma-trigger yung SL ko kagaya last time. I think my risk here is about 5 micro lang yung risk ko dito. Just $200 on the live account. Lapit na mag-open yung market. Shorted here at this FVG. Medyo nag-close na siya above, so it's not really the most ideal right now. Really walang closure above dun sa level na yon. But I'm just gonna hold this trade. Ready ko yung ano ko. Close ko position manually just in case di ma-trigger yung stop. It's been rough on my live account chat. Like, seriously. Nahihirapan ako sa live account ko. I've been losing. I'm about to break even. Been trading it for 5 months. Malapit na ako ma-break even. Maybe I'm fighting the trend. Let's see. Ideally, mag-dump itong Nasdaq at market open and then ES is gonna, or YM is gonna pump. Just 5 more minutes. Let's see if I will get stopped out in here. Looks like it, which is unfortunate. Should have waited, should have waited. Shoulda, woulda, shoulda. Five minutes, chat. 5 minutes. Market is gonna open. Ready yung ano ko to close this manually. Just in case platform failure at market open. Baka hindi na naman ako ma-feel. 4 more minutes. It's been grinding. Been grinding, chat. Maybe lower high dito sa 5 minutes. One minute FVG right now. It's holding. Although maliit siya masyado and it's not clean compared to NQ. Nasa MNQ lang ako. Good evening, good evening. Yep, this is a personal account of mine. Been getting smacked this week, this year on my live. Started it strong, but about to give. I'm down. I think 1-2 sa live account ko. It's not been good. Hasn't been good. Malapit na ako mag-break even dito. Actually, I will start to become net negative sa live account ko once for 5 months kapag na ano ako dito. Stop out ako. So you can see, up lang ako ng 146. I've been trading this for 5 months. This week, last week alone, I was down 1.2k USD. All right, it's going. Hopefully it continues to the downside. Don't want to take the risk of, losing on this trade. Gonna put myself to break even. Wow, it's going, chat. It's going. It's going. Let's go. Nice. Up na ako ng $300. I'll take partial here for 3 contracts. Just to secure, you know. Nice one. Keep it going. Wanna see this keep going lower. Buy ako ng 1 contract dito. Sa low, sa 8:30 low. Good evening, good evening, good evening. W so far on this live. Still going lower. Nice one. Keep it up, NQ. Keep it up. 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 Does not want to push lower, huh? Does not want to, chat. Ayaw pa niya mag-push. It's getting shy. Few more points. Just consolidating here. Dito sa NWOG, it does not want to go lower. I want to see it like move sa 830 low, you know, but it's failing to do so. It's annoying. Break even stop naman na pero last chance. NQ, last chance. Uy, muntik na ako ma-SL doon. Break even. Right. Okay, break even. Up ako ng $200 on that trade. Let's see what's gonna happen. Now I got stopped. Still like lower prices though. I still like the short. Gusto ko yung 830 low. Good evening, good evening. Start to break lower here. I'm gonna start looking for shorts. So far it's going higher. Ideally, hindi na natin i-break itong high. This high should not be revisited. Maybe a 30 seconds FVG from here might be a good short. Although YM right now it's pushing higher, so we might push to the upside dito kay Nasdaq. YM, weaker YM, which typically means stronger Nas. Nag-touch tayo dito sa NWOG low, then we push higher. Walang continuation lower, which is unfortunate. I got stopped break even because of that. Just choppiness right now. Choppiness. ES looks weaker than NQ. More choppiness. Oh my god. What the hell is this? What the hell is this, chat? More chop? Like, what the F? Live sa ICT kanina. Yeah, I saw. Pero di ko na siya pinapanood ngayon pag nagla-live siya. I'd rather develop my own bias into the market. Grabe yung choppiness. Grabe. Ako masabi. Meron tayong equal high above on NQ, and I think we will take this high now. The longer we stay up here, the likelihood na matitake out tong high na to. There you go. It's about to be taken out. There you go. There she goes. NQ pushing higher. Form tayo ng bullish SMT up here. I guess this is the 15 minutes. FBG play to the upside wasn't clean in my opinion. Like, di lang siya ganun ka-clean. Especially like with this pre-market drop, like 5 minutes before open. That wasn't the best in my opinion. We're pushing. NQ is so strong right now, about to take out its CP high. 30 points. Ano ba yan? Wala na akong talo this year. Walang ma-journal na loss. Damn. You must be rich now. You must be rich now. Wala kang talo. I mean, losses aren't the one that should only be journaled, right? Kailangan pati yung wins should be journaled as well. Hindi lang yung mga losses ang kailangan i-record. So far, W on the day, small wins on live, and almost break even sa prop accounts. Wow. What a wild price action right now. We almost took the high and then we just dumped like crazy. What a wild PA. Grabe. YM is dumping so hard. Ano yung first trade mo, bro? I took my trades earlier sa here, pre-market. Tatlo actually. I took 3 trades. Yung isa sa live account. Major news about Iran. What's the news about Iran? Just gonna play the price action. Not care so much about the news right now. Kaya FVG tayo sa 930 FVG, but the issue is nag-form tayo ng equal high, which is not ideal. If we're gonna like, you know, dump from here, ideally nag-take out siya ng stop above, but I guess that did not happen. Trade tayo into this rejection block. Gonna take a short here. Tingnan ko kung anong mangyayari from this point on. Even just 10 points, I'll be happy. Live ata ngayon si Trump, nakita ko sa YouTube. Oh, maybe. Maybe he is, maybe he's not. See. Okay, field. Gonna take a partial here. There you go. Love to see it. Love to see it. Just gonna trail it for now. Keep it going, my boy. My boy, NQ. Keep it going, my boy. Keep it going. Keep it going, my friend NQ. We don't want to see you like do this. We want to see you keep going. Keep going, my boy. Low of the session, maybe. No way, I'm gonna get break even stop. Keep it going, my boy. Keep it going lower. 130, 107, 131. Let's go. Let's fucking go. Let's go. Let's go. $20,000. $20,000. Not gonna be greedy, chat. Just take it one day at a time. One day at a time, chat. One day at a time. No need to be greedy. No need to be greedy, chat. What you say? What do you say, chat? What do you say? It's still going. It's still going. I just didn't want that retracement, you know, dahil sa ano ko, trailing drawdown. But if I wasn't, you know, if I wasn't trailing drawdown, I would probably held this trade, to be honest. I will probably hold this trade, chat. Kung hindi lang tawag dito, kung hindi lang trailing and drawdown, I would have held, but I'll be happy, you know. That's fine. That's fine. Finish na, chat. Finisher. I'm finished. One day at a time. One day at a time. One day at a time, chat. Diba? There you go. This is why I don't try to go crazy. One day at a time, chat. One day at a time. Hope you caught that short. Hope you caught that short, chat. I hope you caught that short. The reason why I shorted that is we got this rejection block up here, right? Tapos nagkaroon tayo ng inverted FVG inside a 930 fair value gap. Tapos nag-re-enter lang ako basically at this same fair value gap. In-extend ko lang siya for a more precise entry. Then my stop is just like, 10 points. 10 points, 12 points. Right? Yan, ganyan lang yung stop ko. And yeah, I just keep trailing the stop while it goes in my favor. Typically, I would hold into it, but because trailing in drawdown, I have to be more careful. I like to see draw on liquidity dito sa baba, 830 low. ES is so close at 830 low, so maybe that could become an SMT. But as far as the draw is concerned, gusto ko tong 830 low na to. Market loves to touch this wicks sa news, I explain ng entry. All right, again, meron tayong rejection block up here. Ideally, hindi ideal na merong double top up here. But the fact na nag-IFVG tayo on this 930, which is very important key level, I know that could be the shift in structure, yung IFVG na 930, and then nag-entry lang ako on this per value gap. Na kung saan ko gusto mag-enter from earlier, in-extend ko lang to for a more precise entry. But in reality, any short down here is valid. If you're trying to short here and then target this is valid. Ako kasi as more on scalp, I like to take those tight stop, have a more approach now wherein it is more tight kasi nga nag-i-scalp ako because of the trailing drawdown. So yeah, like I said, as much as I wanted to, gusto ko siyang i-hold, but I can't really do it because I can get, messed up sa trailing drawdown. So yeah, that was the plan. Action plan. That was the action plan, chat. See, the volatility is crazy. Susundan pa niya yung structure ng YM. Yeah, we can see also na ES and NQ or ES and YM are dumping. So that gave me the perspective na it could drag NQ lower. So yeah, I'm done for today. I am done. I'm not going to be trading anymore. Took this profits, you be content with enough. You gotta be content, chat. You gotta be content. $20K, chat. Just few more. Di ko alam kung pwede ako mag-request ng payout, to be honest. Let me see yung account ko. I think overall the draw on NQ is still higher. I haven't changed my bias. I think the daily fair value gap, which I've been talking for weeks now, on the upside, I think it's gonna be the ultimate draw. Pero yeah, just playing this intraday volatility. Let me just check if I'm now eligible for payout sa isang account. Ideally, I would be eligible for a payout across all of this account soon, Kung ano lang yung account ko, mga 50k account size, I would be eligible for a payout. But yeah, PA. 127. 127. I am $200 away from requesting a payout, so iti-trade ko siya today. And then account 130. 130. Biggest day is 2030. Divide. Alright, 6, 7. So 130 at saka 127 are so close. Payout accounts. 130, 127. Maybe 151. 151. Ilan pa yung 151? Yeah, I need as well sa 151 no $500. Ay, hindi. Malayo pa siya. Yeah, I need 151. Sige, ito-trade ko to. Payouts accounts. Yan. Ito, 200. Ito, kulang na lang ng 600. So, let's just 130. 600 na lang kulang ko dito. I can request a payout. Iaano ko siya. Gagawin ko siyang 3 contracts in here. And then, yeah. Basically, that's it. Let's see if I could find one more basic para makapag-request ng payout. 6, 7. Ay, hindi. Kailangan ko na ng 10 points. So, 2 contracts. Pwede ako mag-request dito ng 2,750 on this account, 2K. I just need one more W and pwede na ako mag-request. How long did it take you to finish all that evil, each one of those? I just pass in one trade. Pass or smash. I just full port. Full port every time, baby, on evals. I just full port on evals. So one day. But I blow a lot of accounts in the process. That's the cons. You will blow a lot of accounts. Hit na monthly target for payout? Yeah. Yeah, not really. I want 50k payout. I want 100k payout, chat. I need to be rich. I want to become rich, chat. Ilang cons ka per trade? 1 to 2. 1 to 2. Just risking $400 to $600 per trade. It's the sweet spot. Sweet spot. 1 to 2 contracts, chat. 1 to 2 contracts. $20,000 day. Not bad. Kung iisipin mo, my accounts on where they at, not bad. Yung iba, 80 trading days, 58, 20. But this accounts, 6 trading days. Isa pa lang yung losing day ko, or 2. This was on January 7 and January 12. So, being very consistent with Basic right now. Hopefully, I can continue the momentum. Momentum. Keep it going. Oh, 80% off on Apex right now. If you want to buy some accounts, you know what to do. You know the drill. Use the code RON, baby. Use the code RON for the best discount. You know what to do. 80% off, $65 activation fee. That's not a bad deal. We got 5 minutes of PG down here. $10 candle, here we go. 10 o'clock candle, chat. Here we go. 10 o'clock candle. It's still trading lower. Wow. Crazy. ES just flipped fully, chat. Pero 4-hour bullish pa din siya though. We took out the 830 low on the ES, so kailangan medyo mag-ingat-ingat na because we could pull up the SMT price action here. Baka magkaroon ng SMT and we pop back up, especially we made an equal high up here. So that could be troubling. Trouble is waving for the bears. Choppy as fuck, yeah. But we made it work somehow. Full-time trader ka? No. Full-time guessing trader. No, I'm not a full-time trader. Ano lang ako? Demo trader. Demo trader on prop firm. Affiliate sales. Affiliate shield. I make a lot of money on affiliates. Enough to live by. 100k pesos a month as affiliate, not bad. But you have to use my code. You have to use my code, chat, or else I'm gonna be broke. Use the code. Just waiting right now. Just one more trade. Remember, sa utak mo, one good trade, one good trade, one good trade. One good trade, one good trade, one good trade is enough. One good trade, one good trade. Yan yung itatak nyo sa isip nyo pag nagtitrade kayo. Base it pace, one good trade, one good trade, one good trade. Pag natalo ka, you move on to the next good trade. Think about the next good trade that you could take. Oh, we're pushing lower. We're pushing lower, chat. We're so close. We are so close. Should I just sell here and close my eyes? Chat, should I just sell here and close my eyes right now? It's still selling off. It's still selling off, chat. It's going crazy. Tingnan natin if we can find some kind of 15 seconds entry. 15 seconds, 15 seconds. It's getting very weak right now. Seconds, 15 seconds. Hanap tayo ng 15 seconds entry from here. Let's see. Let's see, let's see. All right, we're pushing. We're pushing back up. 15 seconds trading. Just need 10 more points, chat. 10 more points and I'll be requesting a happy payout. Happy payout day. Take out na tayo ng 830 low. 830 low, chat. This is the draw that I've been telling you guys. Maybe we reverse here. I don't know. Maybe we start to push back up. Maybe we trade lower further. How are you guys handling this price action so far? Are you green? Are you red? Start a poll. Let's start a poll. Green or red? Green, red. No trades yet. How are you guys handling this PA? That was a crazy push lower. I wonder if we're gonna push back up now after we take out that 830 low and start to grind intraday high. So far, we have equal highs up here. We might change the bias now. Target has been met, chat. Target has been met. I've been telling you guys that this is the draw. But let's see if we're gonna reverse here or continue lower. Let's see. Good day. How many years you become profitable? I would say 3 years. On my 3rd year, I was profitable. 4th is gonna be amazing. 2 to 3 years, you'll start to become profitable. Like 3, maybe on the 3rd, you will find consistency. All right, let's see. Is this gonna reverse from here? Gonna be interesting level. Gonna be interesting, chat, kasi we did take out the 830 low and now we're reversing back up. So pwedeng IFVG to and we trade all the way up now dito sa daily FVG above. Gonna be interesting overall. We put an IFVG after we take out a significant liquidity pool. Ito, 830 low has been taken out. This is gonna be a crucial level. I think this is gonna determine where the market wants to go for the rest of the day, or at least like between 10 o'clock. This year, this will be my year trading gold. So much struggle, but it's okay. Have you ever thought na magpalit ng pair to trade with? Because gold, in my opinion, is not the best. Especially at all-time highs. It's hard to trade, in my opinion. But hey, you do you, whichever you think works best for you. Let's keep it up. Keep it up. How do you pass eval fast? You trade full contracts. You trade full contracts. You trade the news. You trade the 930 open. Full contracts. The thing is, on 50k account, 150k account, you just need 30 points with 15 contracts. Ganito lang kaliit ang kailangan mo na movement. But it should be a trade where it will not retrace, otherwise you will blow the account. On 50k account, pag nag-trade ka ng full contracts, when you trade full contracts on 50k, this is the amount you need to pass. See how little this is? This is the amount you need for 50k, and this is the amount you need for 150k trading the full contracts. But it should be a trade where it will not retrace, otherwise you will blow the account because of trailing drawdown. Tama ka, Kuy. Sirap talaga ng gold. Parang babae, moody. Oh, man. It is hard. Mahirap ang gold. I would only trade gold kapag meron siyang magandang higher time frame. Do 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 do. 10 more points, chat. Just 10 more points and I'll be good. I'll be requesting 5k for the month of 5,750 for the month of January. Maybe win streak ako this week, you know? Who knows? Maybe makapag-request ako across 20 accounts. I don't know. Just maybe. Just maybe. Just maybe. 2 contracts tayo dito para 5. So basically all in, best in use, then cost 1 move. Yeah. Sometimes you would get slip, which is unfortunate, you know? Actually, most of the time you would get slip. I would say it's a 50-50. It's gamble. When you're trading news, it's just literally gambling. I don't have a good pass rate on evals. I took maybe 700 evals right now or 800, and I only passed so far 200. So I don't have the best news rate, pass rate. So I only recommend doing that if you think you can get a payout. If you can't prove to yourself you can get a payout, then you shouldn't be trading that way. One good trade. Mag-trade ka, boss? I'm done. Although, magti-trade pa ako ng one more time just to see if I can get a payout. I just need 10 more points and I'll be able to request payout, essentially. Just 10 more points. Tatlong account. My 3 accounts are so close to getting a payout. I would have, like I said, I would have hold this if only hindi trailing and drawdown. This is the hard part kapag tinitrade mo lahat at the same time. Some are trailing, some are not. Kinaganda row, hindi mo nadadala full porting sa PAs. Hirap naging habit mo big size on small drawdown. Well, it's not gonna work well for you if you try to trade big. I only trade big kapag malaki na yung buffer ko. I would say at least kapag, ganito yung rule ko, chat. Kapag ang drawdown ng account is less than 5K, you should trade 1 contract. Kapag ang drawdown ng account is 5K na, you can trade 2 contracts. Kapag ang drawdown umabot ng 7.5, you can trade 3, then 4, 5. Each time na nag-i-increase ng 2.5 ang drawdown mo, you can increase your contract size by 1 in my opinion. Or depende din as well on the setup. It also depends on the setup you plan to take. So bearish today, chat. Crazy. The ES is falling apart. It's just not working well. It's falling apart. Bro, you're trading NQ, MNQ. NQ on my PA, MNQ most of the time on my evals. Or on my live account. Di ka ba nagka-copy trade, boss? Bakit di lahat makaka-payout ever? Because they were not traded at the same time. Kaya hindi lahat makaka-payout. Some are 80 days, some are 20 days, some are 17, some are 6. So, yung mga account na matagal na, they have a higher buffer. I've been trading this account since September of last year. As you can see here, nakapat na ako na payout. 1K, 500, 1.8, 2,750. And now I'm gonna request another 2,750. Tapos dito, I have requested 4 times. 2K of 600, 2K, 2K, and then another 2K. And yeah, this will be the 5th payout, if ever. I just need one more trade. One good trade. One contract is kind of big for NQ. That's 10 MNQ already. Yeah, it is big. Not gonna lie, it is big. But it depends on the size of your stop. My stop is typically between 10 to 12 points. So that's not big to me. I just risked $200. It's relative on the size of your stop loss. If you're going to have a larger stop, it will require you to trade MNQ. So basically, you're playing with odds na mabawi lahat ng DD. What do you mean? Are we talking about PA or are we talking about evals here? Ano masasabi mo sa nagbabalak na mag-ban ng SEC ng mga broker katulad ng XNES? I mean, it is what it is. Hindi knowledgeable ang Philippines when it comes to trading, investing. The problem is, kung papansin ninyo, influencers are promoting broker that they don't even understand. Right? Tingnan nyo sila V, tingnan nyo sila yung mga sikat na influencer. They're trying to promote pocket broker. Like, what the fuck is that, chat? So people are getting, you know, they getting ruled into something that they don't know. Imagine kumukuha sila ng influencer such as V na hindi naman nagtitrade. Tapos Manny Pacquiao in XM. Like, do you think Pacquiao is trading? No. Plus, the truth is, yung mga broker, they are offshore. They're not Wala silang license. It's the truth. They did not get a license to operate in the country. Therefore, syempre yung government, they would try to make a way na i-tax yung mga entity na to. 50k account, boss. Okay na ang VAR. Okay na VAR per trade ang 300 USD. It's up to you. It's up to your risk tolerance. If 300 per trade ka, you only have like 8 to 9 trades losing streak before mo blow yung account. So, is that something you can handle na in your stats? Possible ka bang matalo ng 8 to 9 trades na sunod-sunod? It's up to you. Ako, I'm comfortable like 10 trades. Kapag natalo ko ng 10 trades in a row, then I'll blow the account. Then I just suck, right? Try to play the long game. Check mo yung stats mo. How many trades can you bear before you can blow the account? So check your stats. Check something na you are comfortable risking. Like for instance, kapag ba nag-open ka ng position, how do you feel? Naninimawis ka ba? Are you trying to be scared and all that? If that is the case, then you're probably trading way too much size. May nagsabi sa isang nagtatrabaho before sa mga institution, may mga regulatory bodies na corrupt ang di nila pinapa-entry sa country. Sa country nila bribery ginagawa. Yeah, I don't know. It is what it is. Philippines. Nothing we can do, right? Unless try mong ipaglaban and you end up wasting all those time instead of trying to become profitable. I would say just focus on things you guys can control, right? Try to make money on things you can control. Try to focus on things that will benefit you as a trader. And plus, XNS anyway suck. Like, CFD broker sucks, in my opinion. Like, if you're going for CFD broker, just go with the reputable ones global. Like, IC Market, Owanda, right? Yung mga malalaki na. A lot of the time, if the broker is trying to heavily promote in the Philippines, then, in my opinion, they're just trying to get people who are intellectual, hindi matatalino, in my opinion. Because why would you get a market sa Philippines? Aside from alam mong wala pang broker na kumukuha dito. But of course, Filipinos are not profitable. They're not knowledgeable how this works. May institution trader company po ba dito? Hedge fund something sa page? Yeah, for sure. I mean, banks can be considered, in my opinion. Like BDO, BPI, they have like portfolio managers. Paano ko makakuha ng payout sa 50k? Gusto ko mag-scale up, buy 2 more accounts, 50k? Yeah, that's not bad. Scale up, chat. That's how you make more money. Scale your accounts. Still going lower. Although nag-trade tayo into this midnight open, which we have to be mindful of because we can reverse here. Looking for that next good trade. Next good trade. One good trade, one good trade. Good evening, Noven La Tigo. What's good? IBKR? Bakit? IBKR tsaka... Wow, it's still going. Oh my god. Holy shit. Still going, chat. This is insane. Premium trading view ka ba, Lods? Yes, of course, I am. I am in a premium trading view. All right, what did we have, chat? Looks like we're gonna take out Asian low. Grabe yung bearishness today. It's crazy. It's still going. She's still going. Sino nagtatanong? Sabihin mo trading view. Di man siya pwede doon sa IBKR. Laki capital kailangan. Ilan taon ka na? 27. Too old. Sir Ron, tuwing Friday ba nag-trade ka? Yes. Every day, chat. Every day I do trade. I do trade every day. Unfortunately, which is something na gusto kong bawasan. Ano strategy mo, boss? I trade for value gaps. Simple as that. For value gaps, chat. I trade FVGs. Sayang, no? I would say I would have hold this. Siguro isa sa mga pagkakamali ko dito was not dapat hiniwalay ko yung mga account na hindi trailing, because I would have held this for real and take profit here possibly. I just hope I don't get burned trying to take one more good trade. It's still going crazy. It is crazy, chat. It is crazy. Crazy market. Crazy downside. Wow. Oh my god. Freaking insane. Still going. Still going to the downside, chat. What time is this? What time is this gonna reverse? Solid. Ten more points, chat. 10 more points. Annoying. Oh, it's annoying. Viva Finil. What an idiot. Nasubukan ko mag-enter dito sa 15 seconds FVG. Up here. Top ko above this. Kaso dito lang siya nasubukan ko dito para mas premium for a tighter stop. Kailan mag 90% ulit ang Apex? I don't know. I don't think they will anytime soon. I don't think they will anytime soon. Grabe. Not gonna lie, chat, this day has been solid. Solid trading day. What a sell-off. For our candle is expanding to the downside. The 30, 100, 500 index move together. Baka may maiwan sunod lang yung iba, makita siya always sa structure. Buti di mo naisipan lumipat sa ibang prop na may trailing threshold because it's the only prop you can trade 20 accounts. I made majority of my prop firm income on Apex, so I don't see a reason I need to move out. Most prop firm have a cap. Apex does not have one. You cannot get a single 20k payout in a single account with other prop firm. May cap sila per payout. My goal in Apex is to make $1 million. Hopefully this year. With 20 accounts, I want to be able to withdraw 1 million. At that time, it's okay for Apex to ban me. I don't mind. And I'll probably get banned before I get to that level. But I don't know. We'll see. One minute FDG again. Kahit yun lang, that's a 10-point move. Oh man. Why ban you? Prop firms are casino, chat. Prop firms are casino. Each time you take a payout, they will lose money. It's how it works. Unless nilalagay ka sa live account. And hindi tayo pwedeng ilagay sa live account tayo sa Philippines because we're banned from Tradovate from creating a live account. Hanggang SIM lang tayo. So when you make money in a certain prop firm, actually in all majority of the prop firm, I would say 90%, tas hindi ka pwedeng ilagay sa live, then you will be banned because you're taking too much money. Essentially, ang binabayad sa akin are the losses that you guys are occurring, right? Some of you guys are not profitable, some of you are profitable. So each time na nakakuha ko ng payout, ang binabayad nila sa akin are the fees you guys pay kung hindi kayo profitable. Right? Trading is a zero-sum game. When you lose, somebody wins. It's how it works. Lahat ng sim prop firm. Magkano average payout mo? Last year, I've been averaging 10k a month. This year, I haven't been able to make 10k sa Apex. Sayang, solid. This would be a banger trade today. If only, tingnan nyo naman yung entry ko. To the tick, chat. Look at that entry. To the tick. Would have been so much money if only I held. Not your fault though kung talo sila. But yeah, you will get banned. And ang tawag doon is graduation. That is why evaluation firm are there to evaluate you. Right? Ini-evaluate nila yung performance mo. So if they think you should graduate, and then yeah, bye-bye. You're now graduate. Sir, curious lang, 10k, never experienced being questioned. with the bank. So, di pa ako na-question with banks because I make a lot of money as well. So, work ko regularly, may pumapasok sa akin. Plus, hindi ako nag-withdraw ng one time. I withdraw every 15 days. I don't try to go for big. Maybe if nag-withdraw akong 1M in one go, then I might experience it. But so far, no. My money is in USD. I don't put them to PHP. Pag-ban ka na sa Apex pero pwede ka pa sa ibang firm? Yeah, you can. You can trade with other firm. There's no denying that. There's no issue with that. Damn, this is annoying. I'm getting a bit impatient. We're always in the B-book. Yeah, just like sa broker, guys. You think kapag nag-deposit ka sa broker, lalo na sa offshore, do you guys think it's alive? It's just a simulated. What you're seeing is fake. It's not real. And each time na mag-profit ka with broker, sa mga B-book broker, they're taking your payout sa mga taong natatalo. Right? Sa mga taong natatalo with live account, they're taking, kapag binabayaran ka, they're just taking money on people na natatalo. Plano mo ba mag-build ng business soon, bro? Yeah, sure. Pero for now, i-scale ko muna yung trading. Gagawa ako ng mga way to scale the income on trading, like Discord subscription. Someone I had met, isa siya sa mga sponsor ko sa skate before. We talk, Amerikano siya. We talk like last 2 weeks. And he introduced the idea of magtayo ng coffee shop, Vietnamese coffee shop. And I said, yeah, possible. We can do it. Gusto niya, sabi niya, naisip niya na daw yon. He was planning to find someone sa Vietnamese coffee shop. Babayaran niya ng $800 a month just to start the coffee shop here in Pampanga. But then, yung mga Vietnamese are scared of being employed by someone kasi apparently sa Vietnam uso yung human trafficking, that if you decide to go, dadalhin ka sa Cambodia, tapos parang yung Alice Guo stuff, yung dadalhin ka sa isang scam place. Kaya takot yung mga Vietnamese to accept job outside their country kasi you will be human traffic most of the time. Kaya natatakot sila. Ito. This is one good example. Ito sa Cambodia, mga Vietnam, dinadala nila dito. Tapos, ganyan ka-secure yung mga place. Cyber slave. Parang i-hire ka nila. This guy was from Vietnam, I believe. Tapos, na human traffic siya. And then, tutorturein ka. They would make you work. Tapos, sobrang grounded. Tapos, mostly, mga Chinese companies. Parang naging na to sa Cambodia. Parang, kahit yung mga police, under ng payroll nila. Mga ganyang building. Crazy. Affiliate. I'm already an affiliate. I make a lot of money on affiliate already. NQ shop, tawag sa business mo, yeah. Sa Angeles, it's very... The coffee shop business here is booming, I would say. It's very strong. Sir, may movie niyan, One More Bets. Yeah, I watch it. Like, One More Bets on Netflix, I watch that. Crazy. I watch it during the time na booming ang... Wait lang, mag-short ako dito on this high of this candle. I like to be buying when the candles are green. I like to be selling. Right, 55 and... Give me that 10 points. Give me that 10 points, my friend. Oh no. Give me this 10 points and I'll be content. Galing ko lang Cambodia 2 days ago. Yeah, they do human traffic. There you go. Almost there. Boom! W's in the chat. W's in the chat. W's in the chat. Press that W in the chat. W's in the chat. Where is the W, chat? Let's go, baby. W's in the chat. $20,000 day. Let's go. All right, isa pa. W's in the chat. 21K day. $200 on my live. And everyone eats. Let's go. All right. 5K secured. 5,750 is secured now. No more trading for me today, chat. Yesterday was not a good day, but yeah, we made it work. May day ko lang to, dyan lang kayo. Or 750 lang pala yung mare-request ko. One day at a time. Oh. Still going lower. Crazy. Hi, bro. Just wanna about Apex. Is it live trailing DD pag nakapasa ka na sa eval? Yeah. But it stopped being live trailing at some point. So, yeah, it is live trailing kahit sa PA. But it stopped at some point. Group the CPI day. Cash giveaway, please. The fuck? Di ako pwede pa cash giveaway, chat. I'm broke right now. No payouts yet for the year. One good trade, one good trade. Tandaan nyo to, chat. Pag napapa-overtrade na kayo, just remember, one good trade, one good trade, one good trade. One good trade is all you need each day. Ibig sabihin ng live trading, I have a full video on that. Eto chat, pag nagtitrade kayo, make sure you close all your position. Ganyanin nyo, exit all position and cancel all para ma-make sure nyo na walang naiwan na left orders. Kasi mahirap na. You could blow the account. Kapag meron kayong naiwan na left orders, iyak na lang talaga pag ganun. Ibig sabihin ng live trading, ganito siya. Para mas madali ma-explain. Kunyari, naglong ka, right? $200 yung profit mo, $200 yung risk mo. Naglong ka dito, umabot dito yung price, meron kang plus 100. If ito, umabot siya hanggang dito sa stop loss mo, down ka $300. So, yung drawdown mo is based sa unrealized PNL. Kunyari, second scenario was nag-buy ka here, umabot ng $100, right? Tapos naglagay ka break-even stop. Pag ito umabot sa break-even mo, talo ka ng 100. Yung balance mo ay still the same, 50k pa din siya, right? Walang nabago sa balance mo, pero yung overall drawdown mo mababawasan. So, yun yung ibig sabihin ng live trailing drawdown. It's hard, kaya nga if you notice, ang bilis ko mag-take profit, right? Why am I taking profit when I know merong larger moves? Kasi natatakot ako sa trailing drawdown. If ito, umabot sa break-even, I would lose $1,000 of my trailing drawdown. Kaya nagtitake profit ako agad. I'm not trying to be greedy. Pero at some point, mawawala yung trailing drawdown pag na-meet mo yung certain balance sa mga account. And right now, yung mga account ko, wala pa sa ganong balance. Sir, pag na-build na yung buffer, tas maging static account na, so pag bumaba ulit 1K ang drawdown, babalik po sa trail. No, it doesn't trail. It doesn't trail anymore. Malalaki yung balance mo sa initial balance plus 100. So static na, whatever your balance is, yun na yung technically, kumbaga, to make it simple, 50K, pag umabot ka ng 52,600, bawal kang bumalik ng 50K 100. So, essentially, meron kang 2.5 drawdown. Bawal kang bumalik dito. So, 150K para mag-stop ang drawdown. I believe kailangan mo ng 5K. Mag-i-stop ang trailing drawdown. So, kailangan mong 155K. And right now, ang mga account ko is at 153K. Chat, I'm gonna end the stream. No point na magstay ako longer. I'm not planning to take any more trade because I think I did pretty well today. So I'm gonna end it here. Chat. If you're planning to trade continuously, good luck sa inyo. As far as for me, I'm gonna be done. I need to do my routine. Plus, kailangan ko magpahinga. Tomorrow, I will hit the gym for the second day. Ngayon, di ako nag-gym. Tomorrow, I'll go to the gym. So, papahinga na ako. Trade lang po ng trade? Yeah. That's how you become broke. The more trades you take, the more mistake you're gonna make. So, thank you, chat, and good luck sa inyo if you plan on trading. Hit the thumbs up, hit the like, and I'll see you again tomorrow. I'll see you again tomorrow. Peace out, everybody, and thank you. Bye-bye.